Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to create a towel rack for the bathroom just out of materials we got around the shop. Let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well we are going to come up with a creative towel rack for our bathroom. I cut and threaded a 1/2-inch piece of black iron pipe. I got 2 1/2-inch elbows. I got 2 3-inch nipples, and I got 2 1/2-inch floor flanges. We're going to wire wheel down the fittings, probably spray them with a lacquer, coat them with a coat of paint so they don't rust up in the humid bathroom, as well as the pipe. And this is what our towels are going to hang on. We got to get this taken apart, we got to get it sanded and looking nice. So I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, so all the fittings are cleaned up nicely. We'll spray them down with some brake clean, we'll throw a lacquer on them, and then a color coat. Alright, well after getting these sprayed, I kind of like the look of them in that natural metal look. I think what I'm going to do is keep them this shade. I don't think I'm going to put any paint on them. If I notice them starting to rust up in there, of course I'll pull the towel bar off of the wall and we'll paint them up. But yeah, I think that's going to look a little bit better, just in my opinion. So I'm waiting on the 20-inch bar to dry. Once that's dry, we'll move on to disassembling the ladder. Well, I have tried everything. I've tried a hammer, I've tried a nail puller to try and get these nails out of here. I'm having no luck at all. So what I think I'm going to do is run underneath the plate with a hacksaw and try and cut them off that way. I've been struggling how to get these off here. It looks like I don't think they're nailed. I mean, they might be. I think they might be. let me go find a little nail puller, and we'll see if we can't get these out of here. I can't see them, but I can see where the wood is discolored. It's like trying to remove nails from a pellet. Aggravating. Alright, well, my plan was to separate the ladder, get the rungs off, sand this whole thing down. I ran into an issue. For one, there's wedges in the ends, and two, there's nails that run through the ladder frame into the spindles, and I can't get them out without snapping the heads off. I've been digging and prying and whacking, and I've used every tool that I can come up with. I have nippers, I got tack pullers, chiseling at it. I'm doing everything I can, and I cannot get those nails out. So what I think I'm going to do is go over this with my sander, give it a nice quick sand with some, I don't know, 80 grit sandpaper, something of that nature, and then polyurethane this, because it is going to be in our bathroom, and it'll be like a shabby chic look. I think that'll come out nice. Is it the way I wanted it? No, it's not, but I think it'll still look cool nonetheless. So let me go grab my sander, and yeah, we'll skirt around this project a little bit differently. So give me a minute. It's only holding towels. It's not going to be structural or nothing, you know. Where did I put that mark? Alright, so we got it level. We got it marked out. I'm putting these wall shields in because it's not holding a lot of weight. Each one of these shields can hold up to 30 pounds. So I think we'll be good with what we got going on here. Yeah, hell, that ain't going nowhere. Now I do understand that I am going to be losing some door space. Door's going to open, and that's as far as the door can open. But we're at a loss for space here. I could go with bigger nibbles, bring this out a little more, but I don't know if that'll be better or worse. Alright, it's on there enough. So I decided to go back with the close nipples, and that's how it's going to look right there. Even if I went with longer nipples on the elbows, I couldn't get it on the back side without the ladder kicking out anyway, unless I moved these hooks. But then my wife couldn't fit the towels up there. She's a little vertically challenged, so this way I think it'll work nice. We still have clearance. We can slide it over to this side. Door still opens. You can come in, brush your teeth, do whatever you got to do, and well, if nobody likes it, I'll just pull it back down. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. Something a little bit different for the channel. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.